3 exercises most men walk past in the gym without a second look. Goblet squats, dead bugs, tuck jumps. 30 days of all 3, every single day, and your mobility, your deep core stability, and your explosive power will have rebuilt themselves from the ground up. Most people never find us out, because most people never stay consistent long enough. Hit like now because 1 second of your time helps this reach the person who needs it most.
These 3 movements target 3 systems that most conventional training programs completely ignore: deep squat mobility, neurological core control, and fast twitch explosive power. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what each one does inside your body, day by day, and why 30 consecutive days of this combination produces results that no single exercise could generate alone.
Exercise 1. Goblet squat. Hold the dumbbell or kettlebell vertically at your chest. Feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out. Sit down between your heels, not back behind them. Chest tall, elbows tracking inside the knees at the bottom. Drive up through the full foot. 3 sets of 12 daily. The goblet squat is the most effective tool in existence for teaching proper squat mechanics under load. By day 7, your hip flexors are opening under active resistance, producing flexibility gains that passive stretching cannot replicate. By day 14, your thoracic spine mobility has improved. The weight at your chest forces your upper back to stay upright, counteracting the forward rounding that years of sitting builds into your posture. By day 30, your squat depth has increased significantly. Your glutes are firing through a longer range of motion than any conventional squat produces, and your knee tracking has corrected itself, because the goblet position naturally teaches your body the alignment it was always supposed to have. Like this video if the science is already changing how you see these movements. It helps more people find what they were never taught.
Exercise 2. Dead bugs. Lie flat on your back, arms pointing straight up toward the ceiling, knees bent at 90 degrees, raised so shins are parallel to the floor. Slowly lower your right arm behind your head, while simultaneously extending your left leg toward the floor, without letting your lower back arch off the ground. Return. Alternate sides. 3 sets of 10 reps per side daily. The dead bug trains something no crutch, plank, or sit-up reaches: contralateral neurological core control. Your brain learning to stabilize your spine while opposite limbs move independently. This is the exact pattern your nervous system uses during walking, running, and every rotational sport movement you make. By day 14, your deep spinal stabilizers, the multifidus and transverse abdominis, have developed genuine neuromuscular control that directly reduces lower back pain and injury risk. By day 30, your core is not just stronger, it is smarter. It is firing automatically during movements where it previously switched off entirely. Subscribe to this channel right now. Every week we publish movement science explained simply enough to actually change how you train. Exercise 3. Tuck jumps. Stand feet hip-width apart. Bend slightly at the knees, then explode upward, driving both knees toward your chest at the peak of the jump, tucking them as high as possible. Land softly through the toes first, then the heel. Reset. 3 sets of 8 daily. Tuck jumps recruit fast twitch muscle fibers, the explosive power fibers that conventional slow training never reaches. By day 7, your ground contact time has reduced, meaning your body is absorbing and redirecting force more efficiently with every landing. By day 14, your vertical power output has measurably increased, and your hip flexors are driving knee height with an explosiveness that directly transfers into sprinting, sport, and every dynamic movement your body makes. By day 30, your fast twitch fiber density has genuinely developed. Your metabolism has elevated because explosive training creates an excess post-exercise oxygen consumption effect. Your body burns more calories for hours after you finish, and your nervous system is firing at a speed and efficiency it simply was not capable of on day 1.
30 days. Goblet squats rebuild your movement foundation. Dead bugs rewire your core from the inside. Tuck jumps ignite your explosive power and elevate your metabolism. Start today. Subscribe this channel for weekly science that respects your intelligence. Comment below which of these 3 surprises you most, and share this with one person who thinks simple daily training cannot produce serious results. 30 days from now, they will have their answer.